Yo guys, there's been a couple of Air Jordan 1s that we've been getting recently, and it made me start thinking like, yo, hold on, Jordan Brand hasn't dropped this specific Air Jordan 1 in forever, and it is long overdue for them to bring them back out, and hopefully we see them in 2025. I'm gonna tell you guys why I think that, so stick around, stay tuned. Let's get into today's video, man. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video from your boy DeVintage, man. And your boy been back, coming with you guys with some consistent content back to back to back. And hopefully I gave you guys some, some worthy content, not just some filler videos. I want to give you guys some actual content that you can engage with so you can see what we're talking about and it kind of get you guys perspective on certain topics surrounding the sneaker community, man. So if you guys are new here, you're already liking what you see, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. If you guys seen, bro, we hit 97.3 thousand subscribers. Yo, we are so close to that goal, man. 100K right around the corner. All thanks to you guys, all thanks to the support. Just know the content gonna continue to get better. The content gonna keep going crazy. I just need you guys to hit that like button for your boy, man. Everybody come through here, hit that like button, and the content will definitely get pushed to other people and show YouTube you guys enjoying the content as well, man. So do your boy a favor by doing those things for me, subbing up, hitting that like button, and always dropping a comment down below. Let me know we're here in the building. All right, guys, and for the longest, I've been wanting to kind of, show a couple different things to the channel, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get straight to the topic, kind of give you guys a little bit different things, a little bit more insight. If you guys not know me, I've been going crazy with the Cologne, you know what I'm saying? I got to shout out a couple people. Number one being the Retro Whiz Kid, man. This man got me buying all types of Cologne, and a couple in here, he actually, recommended for me to get. So a lot of these are blind buys. I'm definitely going to check them out here in the near future. So let's go ahead and get into it so I can show you guys what I did end up snagging. Shouts out to Joma Shop. So if you guys are interested in getting fragrances, getting colognes, getting something for your wife, getting something for your husband, whatever it may be, use that link down below, and all of their fragrances are currently on sale for this Father's Day coming up. All you literally gotta do is click the link down below, head over to Joma Shop, search for fragrance you do like, and 9 times out of 10, they do have it at a way discounted price, like up to 60-75% off. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here real quick. I know I done got y'all here for a while, so let's go ahead and get into all these fragrances we just picked up from Joma Shop. Go ahead and check it out, bro. Got that new Valentino. I think this is one of the latest ones they have dropped, the Green Extravaganza. A lot of people been telling me to check this one out, and check out the bottle, check out the presentation, super crazy, and I can literally smell it. We ain't even sprayed yet. This joint is super dope. The presentation is nice. And this is a Club de Nuit. I think I'm saying it right, the Untold. Like I said, you can use that link down below. Check it out and go grab it. Also just picked up this toilet. This is just a Burberry Touch. Heard some great things about that one. And saying working throughout the day, kind of tag itself up a little bit. That's why I grabbed this one right here. Again, another recommendation from Justin, bro. And then last but not least, we got that Kajal Lamar. And this is a recommendation from the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid. So I cannot wait to check these out, see what they smell like. And this one was highly recommended. So let me, okay, we might got some of our sleeve with this one right here, man. But like I said, you guys go check out Joma Shop, link down below. Get all your fragrances and colognes for mad discounted price. Y'all can thank me later. Trust me on that. All right, guys, so the topic of the video, you guys might see this a little bit more often where I'm just showing a couple different things to the channel. If you don't like it, I'm put bookmarks in there so you can, kind of skim through. For the people that do enjoy it, I'm gonna definitely keep it in a video, man. But for the topic today, man, we're talking about Jordan 1s. And yesterday we were talking about the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's. We will be getting, hear a lot of different rumors about how they're gonna look. It's gonna have age midsole. It's gonna look like the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. And it's still kind of up in the air, just like how the Air Jordan 12 flu games we were supposed to get. The next thing you know, the actual mock-up came out and they kind of changed the whole scheme up, and it's the Bloodline Air Jordan 12. So the same thing could happen with this whole Chicago color blocking Jordan 1 Low. Just never know. But the Jordan 1, I definitely think that, Jordan Brand been playing, kind of been holding in the vault for a while, since like 2014, if I'm not mistaken. And that is the Air Jordan 1 UNCs. Now I know we got the UNC Off-Whites a little bit after that Air Jordan 1 UNC dropped in 2014, the whole 10 collection, and we got a whole bunch of different Off-Whites, but the Air Jordan 1 UNCs were going for like under retail up until the point we got that shop drop for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Off-Whites, and they just went through the roof. So you can go check the UNCs right now. They're literally going for like $700-800 depending on what size you're looking for. But now thinking back at it, we've been getting different bread colorways. We've been getting different, UNC colorways, sort of say. We got the UNC powder blues, got the University blue Air Jordan 1s, just a bunch of different those, you know, saying UNC colorways. And I just think it's time for them to roll out this Air Jordan 1 UNC. It's perfect timing. Even throw it in a high cut 85 because, you know, next year we're going to be getting the bread high 85 cut Air Jordan 1s. And I'm pretty sure we're going to hear something soon from Nike, from Z Sneakerheads, from Sneaker Files, somebody up there that got that insight. They're gonna say, yo, guess what? We're gonna be getting the UNC Air Jordan 1s. I'm just waiting for the time to happen. I know it's long overdue for this to come out, and the UNC ones speak for themselves. They didn't show love to the Shadows. We got it in a low form. They didn't show love to the Royal Air Jordan 1s, even though it's a reimagined spinoff. And of course, all the different bread colorways we have gotten over the last year, year and a half. So it only makes sense. Jordan Brand, Nike, bring out the Air Jordan 1 UNCs, bruh. We need them in the collection. I still regret to this day not spending the $180 they were going for on GOAT back in 2018. And literally after the UNC Off-White ones dropped, they did a shop drop. The UNC ones shot the roof. It was super crazy. I remember like it was yesterday, I had that shoe in my cart for the longest. The price was under retail at the time. I'm like, now looking back at it, I should have definitely pulled that trigger, man. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section what you think about it. What do you think about the Air Jordan 1 UNCs coming back out? Even in a high 85 cut, I'll be greatly appreciative of that. But we just need some type of UNC to drop. A low, a high, a mid, something. We need the UNCs back. And I think that might help out the Jordan 1 silhouette in a way, because they've been dropping all these other filler Jordan 1 colorways and just like, you know what? Jordan Brand, just go back to your roots, go back to what kind of started all with some of those prominent, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 1 colorways, and bring back the UNC joints. I need them in the collection, man. You guys let me know what you feel about it as well. And throughout this video, man, I hope y'all been already commenting. Let me know what other Air Jordans we should get back. You know what I'm saying? I'm super happy next year we will be getting the cool gray 9s. We're going to be getting the Air Jordan 5 metallics with the 3M piping. We're going to be getting a bunch of those dope colorways next year in 2025. And I'm telling y'all, bruh, with the breads dropping next year, and like I said, metallics, and we're getting a remastered Jordan 3 Black Cements this year, it only makes sense. It's perfect timing for them to drop the UNC Air Jordan 1s. Don't say I ain't tell you here first, but I'm sure it gotta happen, bro. It only makes sense. You guys let me just think about it. The last couple of weeks, man, I'm gonna kind of help a lot of people out, putting them on to the best Discord services out there right now, and that is Secret Sauce Group. I know a lot of people been asking me, man, how does Secret Sauce work? Is it actually worth, you know what I'm saying, joining up in this Discord? It definitely is, man. I actually just checked the other day. They had a bunch of success for the J Balvin 3s. Had a bunch of success for the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Canary joints. And they recently has been flooding the chat with a bunch of good information, good tips and stuff like that to help us out. And if you're one of the people that take a huge L on the Travis Scott, a huge L on the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s, Secret Sauce is there to help you guys out as far as auto checking out some of these sneakers or give you the best tips and tricks and sending those links out earlier than everybody else, and you know when to go and check out for some of these sneakers, man. The success rate is crazy. They also do monthly giveaways to the members of the Discord. So if you're working 9 to 5, you don't have time to be on computer all day, you don't have time to hear about this raffle, that raffle, what's dropping, you know what I'm saying, in the middle of the day. That is what Secret Sauce is for, to help you out in the event that you can't, you know what I'm saying, hit on some of these sneakers, man. So make sure you guys go check them out, bruh. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Hit that join me button. It's gonna take you straight over there. And depending on which tier you are, that kind of dictates how many auto checkout services you do have, man. So make sure you go check them out. Everybody loving them right now. Go tell me your boy DeVintage sent you. Support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Like I said, man, I will put bookmarks in this video so you guys can kind of skip through, or chapters or whatever. But I will be starting implementing different things to the content through the video, so you guys have something different to watch, have something different to see me talk about, because I don't think about shoes all day, man. It's different things I do, different things that I buy. And I just feel like us approaching that 100K, I got to start tapping into that, my inner self. We got to show you guys a little bit more about your boy DeVintage. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss any content that we drop. And please give a huge like on today's video. That'd be greatly appreciated. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content as well. And I need them likes up. I need them comments go crazy, because I want to see what everybody else thinks about the Air Jordan 1 UNCs dropping again in 2025 or maybe even 2026. Just sometime soon, bro. We need them to drop. I appreciate all the support, man. Love you guys. All that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.